This is a brand new 2015 Toyota RAV4. It features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a power moonroof, the Toyota Entune infotainment system, chrome wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a rear window defroster, a 6-speaker audio system, front side impact airbags, a first aid kit, a CD player, 4-wheel disc brakes with an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and an automatic climate control system. With an EPA estimated rating of 31 miles per gallon on the highway, you won't be making frequent trips to the gas pumps. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.